Santa ate our treats early. Can that be the thumbnail? What's going on, guys? There are...
What if it's not on that side? What if it's on this side?
Fine. There are... Poppy.
There are...
I have anything on my face? I know you're about to say, yeah, ugly. But other than that, is there anything on my face? Come on, let's make up a Christmas dance. It's like 10 seconds. Stop. Blink twice if you're scared. Taking my hat hurt my feelings. Okay, no more taking my hat, okay? At least vacuum the kitchen, Poppy.
That's not gonna do. What do you just vacuum?
You good there? What are you doing? Anyways, so today we are making something that I have duetted on TikTok. Insert video now. Chocolate latte.
Get the Gladbrook then. I will get the Gladbrook then. Get the Gladbrook. I will get the Gladbrook. I'll get it. Get the Gladbrook. I'll whack you with it. No, why is everything with you like abuse?
Okay, so there's one problem. We have to pick off all the little chocolates.
Chocolate.
So much. While you glad wrap, I'm gonna melt chocolate. What's wrong with Christmas?
It's 3 months to Christmas.
It cuts.
Oh my god, I can't do that.
What did you do to it? Sorry, hold on, let me have it. You roll it out the first time. Okay. She's getting angry because I know that we only have vanilla ice cream. And instead I thought we could do strawberries and cream, but she's getting annoyed.
It's my job.
You know what? Have a limple.
You're literally... I will literally...
Come on, you got this.
I will steal your hat and I will throw it to the other side of the house.
You know what? This is about her. Apparently we just put this ball in here like this. Oh no! Oh, it's a bit big.
I told you.
And this one's stuck on the plate.
Well, that's your problem, not mine.
Now we dip that in.
You're the one being rude. I'm not being rude.
This is what the bowls look like. They kind of look like... Oh, there's chocolate on the ground, Poppy. Okay, what's the next Christmas song?
It's a celebration.
I can feel it going all over my feet.
Then that's you, that's not me.
That is you.
That's a you problem.
That's a me problem.
Is it the same?
What do these taste like? You've already tried one.
No, I haven't.
Yes, you have.
I had the rest of the Rice Krispie.
I
Poppy, enough.
You better watch out. You better not cry.
He sees you.
Apologize for accusing that I smell.
You do.
Say sorry.
Why do the Simpsons have 4 fingers and not 5? And like all of
They're
their
not
fingers-
human.
Well, they're like these little yellow things. I'm right here. I've been waving my hands around. It's very I wish it snowed.
Oh,
when we
that
had
would be
Christmas.
amazing. No, but then it would have winter
You know?
Christmas.
Yeah, but like that'd be so nice.
It'd be nice. But
snowing.
like, I like it when we have hot because then I can swim. But at the same time, I really like winter more. Okay, you guys didn't think we wouldn't actually present it, did you? Well, we did, and we're gonna show you. Well, we haven't done it yet, but we're gonna do it.
Oh, said I was the ugly thing on the floor.
What do you think of them?
It's a tasty donut.
It's not a donut.
It's not a donut, Dad. Have you got to the middle bit yet? You got to try it all together.
It's like oh.
I don't know.
What do you give it out of 10? We gave it a 5.
I feel like I'm wasting calories. Eating a brown and white gonad.
It's not a donut.
I didn't say that. Listen to me. Does this look like a donut?
That's what you said.
It looks like a gonad.
What's a gonad?
It's a testicle.
Okay. Let's try them. Ready? 1, 2. We go cheers.
Cheers. I didn't go the middle.
Yeah, we should have melted the middle and then put it in. They're a bit big.
I told you.
Sorry. I just followed the TikTok.
Yeah, but we're meant to use ice cream. And just like
I mean, we could skip the middle out and put ice cream in.
wait for that.
I'd probably give it a 6 out of 10. Anyways, we give it a 5 out of 10. Look, it tastes good, but it's
pretty
boring.
It tastes like an LCM.
It's just Rice Krispies and like a chocolate in the middle, basically. It's ice cream, but I reckon I didn't put ice cream because I knew it would melt. What do you give it?
5.
Okay. Actually, I'd probably give it a 5 too. It's not the best. It's just easy. Oh, it feels gooey.
It's melted. Don't forget to subscribe.
Don't forget to subscribe, turn on post notifications because we do videos every week. Some days we'll be featuring Poppy, some days won't. Just depends what mood she's in. But I do Christmas videos each week and normal vlogs. And I hope you tune in next week for next week's baking video. I hope it's better than this week. It might not be. And we will see you guys later. Bye.